Tesla's strategy unveils a compelling approach, emphasizing the production of affordable models designed to engage budget-conscious consumers. With production slated to commence in June 2025 for the eagerly awaited Model 2, this initiative is a testament to Tesla's unwavering long-term vision for market leadership. Recently, the Model 2's prototype has been sighted in Texas, signaling Tesla's relentless commitment to innovation and thorough engineering validation. This compact vehicle promises to significantly broaden Tesla's product lineup, positioning the brand for future success. As anticipation grows, reservations for the Model 2 are expected to open by late 2025. Experts predict an astonishing influx of over 500,000 pre-orders, driven by its attractive pricing and potential federal incentives. This surge reflects a robust market demand that cannot be overlooked. Manufacturing of the Model 2 will take place at Gigafactory Texas and the newly established Gigafactory Mexico, showcasing Tesla's commitment to US-based production. This strategic decision not only supports local economies but also significantly reduces production costs, fostering a more sustainable business model. Central to its success, Tesla's cutting-edge battery technology enables the Model 2 to deliver an impressive 350 miles of range at a competitive price point. The incorporation of lithium iron phosphate cells not only enhances safety but also curbs manufacturing expenses, a dual benefit for the company. What truly sets the Model 2 apart from its competitors is its rapid charging capabilities, allowing drivers to recharge in approximately 20 minutes. This feature, coupled with robust battery safety, creates an enhanced user experience and instills confidence among potential buyers. The strategic production efforts at Gigafactory Nevada play a pivotal role in minimizing costs while enabling the Model 2 to qualify for substantial federal tax credits. This financial advantage makes the vehicle remarkably appealing for prospective buyers navigating a complex market landscape. The Model 2's thoughtfully crafted lightweight design contributes to its impressive 350-mile range, optimizing energy consumption while enhancing handling, particularly in urban environments. This meticulous engineering underscores Tesla's dedication to performance and efficiency. Furthermore, advanced features such as automatic seat adjustments and a state-of-the-art climate system prioritize driver comfort and health, highlighting Tesla's commitment to creating an exceptional user experience that resonates with modern consumer needs. The Model 2 presents a distinctive design characterized by a reimagined front fascia and an innovative headlight configuration, which differentiates it from the Model Y and other Tesla vehicles. This distinct aesthetic sets it apart in a competitive market. In addition to its unique appearance, the Model 2 incorporates practical elements, such as an expansive cargo space and efficient 18-inch wheels, both meticulously engineered to enhance its range. These design considerations are focused on improving affordability while preserving essential functionality. Internally, the Model 2 emphasizes an approach rooted in simplicity, featuring fundamental amenities like manually adjustable seats and vents, along with a standard audio system. This design philosophy aligns with Tesla's overarching goal of minimizing costs without sacrificing quality. The vehicle's anticipated acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour within approximately 6 seconds reflects a competitive edge within its pricing tier. Such performance metrics are noteworthy when juxtaposed with conventional gasoline-powered vehicles. Current estimations suggest that the Model 2's operational range could approximate 300 miles per charge, a figure attainable through the utilization of advanced battery technologies. This range positions the Model 2 as a formidable contender in the burgeoning electric vehicle marketplace. Conversely, Elon Musk's announcement regarding the Cybertruck has encountered skepticism in the European market, primarily due to regulatory challenges. Presently, the Cybertruck fails to comply with European Union safety standards, raising significant concerns regarding its design and future viability. In a parallel development, Tesla has refined the Model Y's design, introducing new bumpers and a sporty carbon fiber spoiler aimed at enhancing both aerodynamics and visual appeal. These modifications contribute to improvements in performance as well as overall aesthetics. Beyond exterior enhancements, the Model Y boasts advanced interior features, including heated and ventilated seats, in addition to a substantial 16-inch touchscreen that significantly elevates the user experience. Furthermore, the integration of enhanced acoustic materials ensures a quieter cabin environment. Additionally, Elon Musk has revealed ambitions for Tesla's humanoid robot, Optimus, which aspires to redefine productivity across multiple sectors. Its sophisticated capabilities are projected to facilitate a wide range of tasks, both within domestic settings and industrial applications. Musk asserts that the Optimus robot will outpace all of Tesla's existing products in performance, positioning it as a significant strategic asset for the company. This perspective underscores the transformative potential that robotics holds for various industries. The introduction of the Model 2 electric vehicle seeks to democratize access to EVs for millions, particularly in developing markets where electric vehicles are often perceived as luxury commodities. This strategic initiative has the potential to disrupt and reshape the global automotive landscape. Ultimately, the Model 2's competitive pricing, coupled with its impressive features, is poised to challenge established automotive manufacturers. This dynamic could compel traditional automakers to swiftly adapt in order to safeguard their market positions within an increasingly competitive atmosphere, thus redefining industry standards. Model 2 showcases a redesigned front end and streamlined features, which collectively contribute to cost reductions, distinguishing it from the more premium Model Y. This strategic move reflects Tesla's commitment to enhancing affordability in its vehicle offerings. Notably, the exclusion of a panoramic roof may influence the car's overall appeal, as it modifies the spacious ambience that is typically associated with Tesla vehicles. This particular decision underscores the necessary trade-offs made in pursuit of affordability. Interior modifications, including the elimination of the rear screen and a decrease in speaker count, illustrate the cost-saving measures that may impact consumer preferences. These adjustments are devised to sustain a lower price point while appealing to budget-minded buyers. The Model 2 incorporates a compact 53 kWh LFP battery pack, effectively balancing both performance and cost for consumers who are financially conscious. This design choice aligns with Tesla's overarching objective of enhancing affordability within the electric vehicle market. In a strategic approach, Tesla intends to offer two variants of the Model 2, a base rear-wheel drive version and a long-range all-wheel drive version. This diverse offering caters to various consumer needs while simultaneously reinforcing the principle of affordability. Elon Musk has emphasized the prevailing demand challenges within the automotive sector, accentuating the necessity for affordable options as consumers grapple with financial limitations. This insight significantly influences Tesla's focus on the development of budget-friendly vehicles. The introduction of the Model 2, priced at $15,990, may pose a challenge to Tesla's traditional premium branding. This strategic pricing initiative aims to attract consumers who are particularly cost-sensitive in their purchasing decisions. The cessation of the $7,500 federal EV tax credit complicates Tesla's pricing strategy for the Model 2. This development necessitates that Tesla absorb certain costs in order to sustain consumer interest and maintain market competitiveness. Tesla's decision to utilize the existing Model Y platform facilitates a more expedited market entry while simultaneously lowering research and development expenses. This pragmatic approach prioritizes manufacturing efficiency over the introduction of entirely new designs. The forthcoming Gen 2 Semi will feature innovative attributes, such as a drop glass that facilitates easier access to cargo and enhanced visibility through redesigned mirrors. This development seeks to improve operational efficiency for drivers navigating their routes. Additionally, a sleeper cab will be integrated into the Gen 2 Semi, addressing the pivotal need for driver rest during extended trips. This enhancement aims not only to improve safety but also to mitigate fatigue-related accidents. The design of the Semi prioritizes aerodynamic efficiency, aspiring to attain a lower drag coefficient that optimizes both acceleration and energy efficiency. This positions the Semi as an appealing high-speed alternative within the trucking sector. The introduction of the new 4680 battery brings forth improvements in energy density and cost efficiency, both of which are critical for long-haul trucking applications. This technological advancement enables the Semi to maintain an impressive range while utilizing a smaller battery. The potential for full self-driving technology to alleviate driver fatigue while optimizing supply chains is substantial, enhancing overall operational efficiency. However, this innovation raises important questions regarding safety, public trust, and the implications for employment. Transitioning to autonomous trucking presents significant legal complexities, particularly concerning liability in the event of accidents. Tesla's overall success will hinge on its ability to demonstrate safety and forge collaborative partnerships with regulatory bodies. The Tesla Semi's full self-driving capabilities contribute significantly to lowering total ownership costs by maximizing operational efficiency and minimizing downtime, thereby enhancing the landscape of long-haul logistics. Regulatory shifts in California are driving the demand for electric trucks, as stricter emissions regulations propel the search for cleaner technological alternatives. In this context, the Tesla Semi emerges as a prime candidate for meeting these evolving standards. The prospective introduction of the Tesla Bot has the potential to transform diverse industries by efficiently executing repetitive tasks. This innovation could foster a new economic paradigm driven by automation and advancements in robotics. Historical precedents, such as automated teller machines and Tesla's own autonomous vehicles, serve to illustrate how technology can engender new employment opportunities rather than merely displacing existing jobs. These innovations have consistently led to the emergence of new roles and an increased demand for skilled labor. Challenges such as an aging population combined with declining birth rates in developed nations are resulting in significant labor shortages in critical sectors, particularly in healthcare. In this regard, humanoid robots like Optimus could provide an essential solution to this burgeoning issue. However, the integration of humanoid robots into the medical field necessitates addressing various legal, ethical, and safety challenges. Concerns surrounding certification and patient privacy represent significant hurdles that require comprehensive consideration. Optimus is designed to autonomously patrol and monitor environments, providing alerts in response to suspicious activities and significantly enhancing home security, particularly during nighttime. This capability, integrated with smart home systems, provides additional layers of safety. In emergency situations such as natural disasters, Optimus possesses the capability to navigate complex terrains, rescue individuals trapped in precarious situations, and safely handle hazardous materials. This adaptability to unpredictable environments is invaluable for reducing risks faced by human rescuers. Furthermore, Optimus has the potential to revolutionize Tesla's production lines by operating with flexibility and efficiency. This technological advancement promises to minimize labor costs and human error while simultaneously enhancing productivity, allowing for a departure from traditional manufacturing processes. As Tesla moves towards self-operating machinery, the implications for the workforce and production efficiency are profound and far-reaching. This significant technological leap could redefine prevailing economic models and transform job markets on a global scale. Elon Musk envisions Optimus as a key component in transforming Tesla into a fully automated production ecosystem, representing a major shift in manufacturing paradigms. This evolution has the potential to redefine established labor and production standards. The potential applications of Optimus extend significantly beyond household utilization, indicating a future where multifunctional robots are pivotal across various industries. This versatility signifies a transformative change for businesses globally. Model 2 is characterized as a scaled-down variant of the Model Y, designed to enhance accessibility to Tesla's advanced features at a more affordable price point. This strategic decision has prompted a spectrum of reactions from stakeholders and consumers alike. Moreover, the forthcoming Model 2 is poised to be a focal point at the Tesla shareholder event, symbolizing the company's ongoing dedication to innovation and its responsiveness to evolving market demands. Anticipation for this model suggests that demand will be considerable among potential buyers. Elon Musk's determination to proceed with the launch of the Model 2 is notably influenced by intensified competition from companies such as BYD, which provide economical electric vehicles at markedly lower price points. This competitive landscape necessitates a calculated strategic response from Tesla to sustain its market position. The design of the Model 2 mirrors that of a compact Model Y, measuring approximately 160 inches in length, which resonates with the preferences of American consumers. This crossover design has the potential to appeal to a broader segment of the market. Cost reduction strategies encompass the introduction of fabric seats and the exclusion of certain features, such as ventilated seats and rear seat entertainment screens. These modifications are intended to keep the Model 2 within an economical price range while ensuring the retention of essential functionalities. Despite these budget-conscious adjustments, the Model 2 will incorporate vital Tesla features, including a prominent central touchscreen and autopilot capabilities. This careful balance aims to sustain consumer interest while effectively managing production costs. Further emphasizing cost efficiency, the Model 2 will employ a less powerful rear-wheel drive motor and a smaller 53 kWh lithium iron phosphate battery, strategically designed to significantly reduce production costs while still delivering an adequate driving range. Tesla's initiative to produce lithium iron phosphate batteries domestically in Nevada holds the promise of decreasing costs by approximately $1,500 to $2,000 per pack, thereby bolstering local manufacturing efforts. Additionally, the vehicle will be equipped with full self-driving technology, thereby rendering advanced autonomous features accessible to a broader consumer base despite its reduced price. This feature exemplifies Tesla's commitment to innovation and the democratization of cutting-edge automotive technology. Tesla's Model Y undeniably plays a pivotal role in the company's achievements, having ascended to the status of the best-selling electric vehicle worldwide since its introduction. This remarkable success highlights the escalating demand for versatile electric automobiles in today's market. However, the production of affordable electric vehicles presents a considerable challenge, primarily due to the substantial costs associated with batteries, which constitute a significant portion of the overall vehicle price. In light of this, Tesla is dedicated to pioneering new battery technologies aimed at mitigating these expenses. Moreover, the Model 2 has been conceptualized as a compact crossover, strategically addressing a gap within Tesla's product line while catering specifically to the needs of urban drivers. This thoughtful approach reflects Tesla's keen understanding of current market demands. In an effort to accommodate the diverse preferences of consumers, Tesla's Model May 2 be offered in two distinct body styles, a hatchback and a crossover. This decision not only aligns with prevailing market trends but also responds to the increasing appetite for compact vehicles among consumers. In terms of technological advancement, the Model 2 is anticipated to incorporate cutting-edge battery solutions, including lithium manganese iron phosphate (LMFP) batteries, which are recognized for their lower costs and enhanced safety features. Such innovations have the potential to significantly reduce manufacturing costs and improve overall vehicle efficiency. Furthermore, Tesla's implementation of structural battery packs combined with gigacasting technology is poised to streamline production processes and reduce expenses. These technological advancements are essential for reaching the ambitious target price of $25,000 for the Model 2. The Model 2 is designed with an ambitious production capability of 10,000 cars per week, a goal that could redefine dynamics within the electric vehicle sector. This strategic objective underscores Tesla's unwavering commitment to delivering affordable electric mobility solutions. Additionally, Tesla's selection of production sites, including Giga Shanghai, is predominantly influenced by considerations related to cost and efficiency. This strategic approach aims to maintain high production quality while also ensuring competitive pricing across various markets. Lastly, the anticipated integration of Optimus robots into the production line could substantially decrease labor costs and enhance overall operational efficiency. These humanoid robots are envisioned to take on repetitive tasks, thereby freeing human workers to concentrate on more complex and strategic activities. The Model 2 incorporates over 20 design modifications compared to the Model Y, including simplified body components and an optimized sensor layout, aimed at reducing production costs. These adjustments seek to make the vehicle more accessible while ensuring essential functionalities remain intact. Recent sightings of the Model 2 prototype indicate a strong shift towards minimalism, featuring redesigns such as higher-mounted headlights and a conventional metal roof. These modifications reflect a prioritization of practicality over luxury, aligning with the vehicle's budget-friendly intent. Notably, the lack of features like a panoramic glass roof in the Model 2 prompts discussions about the compromises consumers must accept for a lower price point. Such factors could significantly influence purchasing decisions, particularly among enthusiasts of Tesla's iconic design. Interior design modifications lean towards cost-saving strategies, including the use of fabric seats instead of vegan leather. This choice supports the goal of keeping the vehicle affordable for consumers. The selection of battery technology plays a crucial role in determining the car's efficiency and range. Currently, LFP batteries are preferred for their cost-effectiveness and longevity, making them a fitting choice for the Model 2. While aluminum-ion batteries could offer benefits such as quicker charging, they encounter challenges related to energy density. This variable might affect both the Model 2's range and overall design. Transitioning from LFP to aluminum-ion battery technology demands substantial investments and costs in new production lines, a process that could take several years to fully implement. This complexity significantly hinders the feasibility of swiftly adapting battery technology. Aluminum-ion batteries present notable advantages in thermal stability and safety, potentially minimizing risks associated with thermal runaway compared to nickel-rich alternatives. This quality could improve vehicle safety and efficiency overall. Sustainability remains a pivotal consideration, as aluminum-ion batteries use materials that are less vulnerable to geopolitical fluctuations, which could streamline recycling processes. Consequently, this may result in reduced lifetime costs, despite the initially higher manufacturing expenses. The development of the Model 2 is progressing towards completion, with virtually no major regulatory obstacles remaining. This positions Tesla for a timely launch in 2025, leveraging current manufacturing capabilities. Tesla's approach emphasizes cost management over luxury, employing familiar production techniques to craft a compact crossover model. This strategy diverges from previous expectations of a sedan-style design. With an expected price tag of under $16,000, the Model 2 is poised to disrupt the market, compelling competitors to rethink their pricing strategies. Tesla's efficiencies in manufacturing will likely be instrumental in achieving this ambitious price point.